Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon UPI. First, open your Amazon app and navigate to the Amazon Pay section. You'll find the option to set up Amazon Pay UPI there. It's a straightforward process that links your bank account directly to your Amazon profile, enabling quick and secure payments. Make sure you have your bank account details ready, as well as your registered mobile number, to complete the setup in just a few simple steps. To link your bank account, open the Amazon app and tap on Amazon Pay. Then, select the Amazon Pay UPI option. You will see a list of banks. Choose yours. The app will automatically detect your mobile number, which must be registered with your bank. After verification, you'll be prompted to create a secure UPI PIN. This usually involves using your debit card details, specifically the last 6 digits and the expiry date, to set up a 4-digit or 6-digit PIN for transactions. Once your Amazon UPI is set up, sending money is simple. You can send funds to any contact with a UPI ID or directly to a bank account using their account number and IFS code. For merchant payments, just scan their UPI QR code using the Amazon app scanner. Receiving money is equally easy. Simply share your Amazon Pay UPI ID with the sender, and the funds will be credited instantly to your linked bank account, usually within seconds. Amazon UPI offers robust security features, ensuring every transaction is protected by your personal UPI PIN. This PIN is essential for authorizing all payments, adding an extra layer of safety. Beyond security, you can often benefit from exclusive cashback offers and discounts when using Amazon Pay UPI for purchases and bill payments. Plus, the Amazon Pay section provides a comprehensive transaction history, allowing you to easily track all your spending and receipts in one convenient place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.